I bet you were ignoring those warning signs when your battery was starting to make beeping sounds and telling you that it's going flat. You've left it too long and it's gone flat in the shopping centre. What do you do? How do you get in your car? How do you start the engine? I'll show you that right now. Now, here's my key. It's flat. I know it's flat because I've taken the battery out. So for demonstration purposes, I want it to be authentic. So here I am pressing and there's no reaction. Okay, so what you do, and like you may have seen before in previous videos, you take out your emergency spare key. Now, some cars are built differently where there's a flap that you open up and you insert the key underneath the door handle. In my case, it's pretty obvious. This car has the handle, the key lock well exposed, so you just turn that. And I think I relocked it. No, it's open. Now let's get inside. Now let's get into the car. To maintain continuity, I'm going to keep rolling. So we've got one continuous footage, and I wanted to show you, first of all, there's your start button, and it may be in a different area of your car, probably will be. This is a Toyota Prado, and your steering wheel might be on the other side of your car as well. Now, if you see a symbol of a key, what you do is you actually tap here with your car key fob, and then come over to your start button. Remember to put your foot on the brake, and then tap the start. You can see the lights come on, and then you push it in with your car key fob. And there you go, we've done it. As I use my car as a backdrop, I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, I took the battery out of this, so there's no power in it at all, and the car actually does start. I had to do that because I've never done it before. I haven't been caught out at a shopping centre, and I really needed to know if it worked, and it does. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below. I'd really appreciate it. Click on my other videos, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.